Investor relation is one of the great functions of that corporate. Because I believe that when it comes to a big corporate or any corporate, then three functions are mandatory. Number one, the investor relation. Number two, the treasury department. Number three is the accounting department. Investor relation interacts with investors. They may be onshore investors, they may be offshore investors. Onshore investor means they are investors of the country whereby the company is situated. Offshore investor means they are investors who based at different so and so locations. Offshore investors may or might not include the investors from global financial center. We are quite lucky that now we are having so many global financial centers and so much of knowledge is available almost free of cost. On the contrary, investor relation interacts with not only the investors who are on the board, but also investors who can be taken on the board. Because one thing is, sometimes what happened, the company keeps searching for capital. Because so and so business model demands additional capital on the board. But having said that, in this case or in this scenario, investor relation continue to scout for new investors. And when the new investors come on the board, then the investor relation department asks to share information about the company. And generally they take the information from treasury department when it comes to financial markets. They take the information from accounting department when it comes to the revenue, profit, bottom line, middle line, and so of that particular organization. But one thing, in my respectful submission, which is very important for an investor relation, is the listing requirements of that country. Because different countries of the globe have different listing requirements. Some are easy, some are quite tough. Having said that, if a corporate, say very big, either it is completely privately owned or it is listed, if it is spread it in different countries of the globe, then different countries have their different listing requirements. And I once again repeat, listing is not restricted to equities. It includes the debt, the warrants, and the other instruments also that vary from country to country.